is what I'm saying.
Right, I was thinking the same thing.
It's definitely late.
Weather's been crazy. How is our sump pump not working? I don't understand. Look at the hail. Holy cow. Is this recording?
I did.
It is, I think. What's the postal thing? Nor hail, nor sleet, nor... Is the guy out of there? Is he in there?
No. Want me to go check if the COVID working?
Have you ever cold air coming in?
Yeah. I don't see the pump. Wow, there goes another bag. Oh, there's lightning. Whoa! Holy cow. That was close. Wow. Look at that water pouring down. Holy cow. Our sump pump's got to be going. Gary, go check the sump pump, man. I don't know. Just see if you hear anything down there. There's a river going down the street. Wow, look at that driveway over by, look at Doug's driveway.
Yeah.
I'm glad I cleared out those gutters. It is like Indonesia, you know?
I can't believe how cold it got.
So unbelievable.
Wow.
It's a major storm going over.
Ooh.
And they still say our softball game's on at 8 tonight.
Yeah, it's not.
I can't see that happening. But it is the oval. It is the oval, though. I hear it slows down now. Alright. That was cool.